Hi, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing of BTS Jimin's personal merch collection. So last time we unboxed his With You purple hoodie, and today we are going to be unboxing another item off of his collection. So let me open it. This is the inside of the box. So the second part of his personal collection is earrings. This is the box. Artist made collection by BTS Jimin. So this is how you open it. And now let's look inside. So here is the pouch. This is where the earrings are. And it comes with also another envelope. We'll open that later. So these are the earrings. I'll open it up so you can get a better look. This is what it looks like. It's in a moon shape. They're like open hoops. And on the side of it, there is a small little red tint. And it is the same for both earrings. With the red tint. This is what it looks like together. He wanted to go minimalistic, so they're just hoops shaped like moons with a small little red color on it. If you want to be fancy, you can match clothing with the little red bit. Now let's open the envelope. Inside it comes with the making log and 2 photo cards. So off camera I unpackaged the book and the photo card. I'm going to be showing you what's inside. So this is the making log. It tells you the process of him making the earrings. This is the directions of, the contents of, what he did, the product planning, the drawings, the design review, the prototype of the design, the sample review, the final review, and then a picture of him wearing the final product that that we have just showed here, and also his thanks. There's also a full video on YouTube of him, of the entire process of the creation of the product. And this is the photo card. He's wearing the red carving earrings, which is what they're called, with the With You hoodie. And that's what's in here. There's the pouch. You can even use the pouch to store something else if you don't want to put the earrings back in. The envelope, the making log, and the photo card, and also the box. You can also store things in this box. It's a creative type of in and out. And that's it. That's what you get. And I hope you choose to buy your own pair of the red carving earrings. So that's all we have today. Thank you for watching the unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!